peace, and light world. Uh, it's a rainy day here in the city, um, and yeah, just making it happen on a rainy day. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying warm. Yeah, shit. Hi. I actually love the rain. I love the rain. It's one of my favorite elements in life. So you guys like the rain? Let me know down in the comments. I may cook this evening. I don't know, we'll see. I did bring my lunch today. I made baked tofu and some steamed rice. And the rice is probably lightly crunchy right now because I put it in the broil this morning. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty good. But yeah, we'll chat later. Later, sorry, later, later. All right, peace.